Hello, welcome to Franklin Building Supply. My name is Mike Nelson. I am the safety director. Depending on your location and where you're going to be working, you'll start receiving some safety training from Russ Hines. He's our mobile safety trainer. He handles all the areas except for Boise. In the Boise area, you will be Wendell Thompson. He's our Boise area safety controller. So if you're seeing this video, you're about ready to participate in a few safety courses. We will show you all sorts of stuff about safety. Even if you think you know everything there is to know about safety, there's a lot to learn. So we hope that you will pay attention and take these serious. These courses are designed to give you a basic understanding on what can hurt you in a workplace and teach you on how not to get hurt. What we want to do is introduce you to Franklin's safety world. Our safety policy is real simple. There's 5 main ingredients. Develop safe work habits. Safety equipment is designed to protect you. Tools don't injure people. People do. A clean workplace is a safe workplace, and come to work fit and ready. There are many other procedures and policies associated with safety. Most of these can be found in Kronos, our human resource information system. You will receive training on these procedures and policies in the near future. So now let's go over the basics. Develop safe work habits. You should develop a situational awareness. Be aware of what's around you. Be aware of things that can hurt you. You may get hurt while working here at Franklin. We hope not. But we have a no-fault reporting system. Through this no-fault reporting system, you won't get fired for reporting an injury. We want you to report these injuries so that nobody else will get hurt by doing the same thing, and that we can assess our personal protective equipment and assess some of our policies and procedures. Or you might just need some additional training. Don't use a cell phone while you're driving. It's just plain stupid. We have a policy about that you've probably already signed. So please be aware of that and don't ever text and drive. Watch your back. Back injuries are the most common injury happening at Franklin Building Supply. Make sure that you know how to lift things. Make sure that you're using your legs and keeping your back straight. If it's too heavy, get some help. Don't put your back at risk. Don't try to be a He-Man. Those who become He-Men become weak men. Be alert around forklifts and trucks. We have a lot of forklifts in all of our yards, and we have a lot of truck traffic and vehicle traffic in those same yards. So be aware. Make sure that forklift operator sees you. Don't assume that they do, because they're busy and they have a lot of things going on. Safety equipment is designed to protect you. Wear the right clothing for the job. Safety glasses do no good if they're being worn on your hat. Please wear them correctly. There are some really loud places at Franklin Building Supply. You may even end up working in one of those. Make sure you know where these are and protect your hearing. Make sure that you're wearing the right gloves. And sometimes make sure you're not wearing gloves, especially around rotating equipment. Tools don't injure people. People do. If you're not authorized to use that piece of equipment or that tool, don't use it. Get training. Get some help. Talk to your supervisor. Inspect the equipment before you use it, making sure that it is in good working order. Do not leave things unattended. If you're operating a forklift and you have to leave the forklift, make sure it's set up and properly parked with the forks down, parking brake set, and the engine turned off. Use this practice in all of your equipment that you use. Know the speed limit in the yard. Some yards have a speed limit of 5 miles an hour, others have 10 miles an hour. So whatever yard you're assigned to, make sure you know the speed limit. Good housekeeping needs to be a constant. Your mom doesn't work here, so you have to pick up after yourself. You will see that we're also implementing some lean concepts in our workplace. Lean and safety go hand in hand. Make sure you come to work with an engaged brain. Know where the fire extinguishers and emergency exits are in case there is an emergency. If you have to use chemicals in the workplace because of your job, make sure that your supervisor gives you the safety data sheets to inform you on what kind of personal protective equipment to wear and what to do in case of a spill and what to do for first aid measures. No horseplay. This is not a playground. Don't come to work impaired. If you're drunk or high, stay home. Don't come around. You put other people at risk. Help us identify unsafe conditions. You may have unique experiences from where you have worked before. Bring them with you. We would like to hear them. Please share those experiences. You are expected to conduct yourself in a reasonable and acceptable manner at all times and under all circumstances. If you are having issues or just a plain bad day, talk to your supervisor. They can help. So that's the basics of our safety policy. Soon, you will participate in some hands-on safety training. However, this is not the end of your training. You should learn new things daily, whether they are safety or skills related or even product related. Please always learn something. After you have received this basic safety training, it's up to you to implement it. Your manager, your supervisor, your fellow worker cannot watch over you all the time. So what you learn here in these safety courses, please take with you and adhere to them. If you do this, you will enjoy a long and safe career at Franklin Building Supply. Welcome aboard, and I hope to see you soon.